Issues important to Ontario's Black community front and center tonight for provincial leaders' town hall ahead of the June election. Now, topics that were discussed include life after the pandemic, education, and healthcare. A town hall discussion geared at breaking down how provincial party leaders intend to address issues that specifically impact Black communities.
It's important because our issues are not addressed at the general town hall. Usually the leaders give a blanket answer on how they want to tackle certain issues. That blanket doesn't cover us. And it doesn't cover us because of the systemic racism that are in all the systems that we have to work and live in.
The 2.5-hour town hall tackled an array of issues from systemic racism, mental health, and environmental racism.
How will your government respond to our community's demands for clean water, safe workplaces, and an inclusive transition to a sustainable and equitable economy?
When it comes to the work that we need to do around the climate crisis, we need to make sure that every single effort we make, whether it's electric vehicle initiatives, whether it's changing over to other green sources of energy and reducing fossil fuels, that no community is left behind.
The government that I plan to lead, we will make this a priority. There needs to be a filter or a lens around diversity, equity, and inclusion with respect to how major infrastructure is cited.
We need to have the data to know where environmental racism exists, and we need to enforce the laws around it. We also need to make sure that Ontario positions itself to take advantage of the high growth opportunities in the new climate economy.
The event was hosted by Operation Black Vote Canada, along with a number of partner organizations. Liberal leader Stephen Del Duca, NDP leader Andrea Horwath, and Ontario Green Party leader Mike Schreiner were all in attendance. Noticeably absent tonight, Premier Doug Ford.
We sent out invitations in December and followed up in January, and we still haven't heard from his office at all. Ontario is home to more than half of the Black population in Canada, and he is the premier of this province. So we would expect that he'd want to come and hear from the Black community about issues that concern us.
We did reach out to the Premier's office regarding the town hall, but did not hear back by deadline. This is only the second ever town hall specifically on issues impacting the Black community in Ontario. Nakhavoly, City News.